friends, welcome to the Smoothie Quiz, where you reveal your surprises for fun. Thunder and Rainbow Edition. Choosing and exiting gifts, give your 5 seconds and guess the exiting surprises. Before starting the video, make sure hit the subscribe. So, get ready to fun. Guess what surprise is inside? Which color customize first? Choose wisely. Let's move on the next time. What gift will receive this time? It's tough to choose this style. What's inside the mystery box? Feeling confident are your choice. It's not easy. Find the emoji difference. Your time is less difficulty challenge.
Wow!
It's a correct. Your loveliest gift, open the dream plans. Trust your instinct and see your catchy gift. Left mirror or right? Are you feeling lucky today? It is your shining gift for you. Once chosen, there is no going back. Will you make the right choice? Time's running up, hurry out. If a 2 hearts, if you decide. It's not easy. Find the emoji difference. Your time is less difficulty challenge.
Wow, wow!
It's a correct. Which is your favorite color? Very, very big thankful to fun with me. Next challenge, comment this below. Pick your next challenge. Come with me.